Our bodies have to have minerals. As I say, what's it going to do? If it doesn't have minerals, it's going to take minerals from our body. The body cannibalizes itself. It takes from our bones, our teeth, our connective tissue, and we wonder why we have problems. Okay, let's see what tap water is. Because the government says it has to be alkaline, right? Oh, it's pretty blue. Okay, not quite purple, but it's not bad. Problem is, it has all those chemicals in it. Chlorine, fluoride, lead, arsenic, who knows? So there are other properties we have to deal with. That's just the alkaline. What I want to show now is another property. This is a meter. It's not calibrated that well, but it shows the ambient level of energy, the ionization of the room. And right now, the air we're breathing is a positive 262, which means that it's aging us as we breathe. It's oxidating. So what we want is an antioxidant. So that's why negative ionizers are good. Now, what I want to do is test the water and see whether it's positive or negative, okay? So I guess I need more glasses here. Let's do this quickly. In fact, I won't do them all. This can be representative of the RO water. We'll do smart water, tap water. We did that. Propel. And 7-Up. Okay, so remember, if it's positive, it's oxidating us or aging us. It's tap water. So that's a positive number, right? Aquafina, also positive. Propel, or Gatorade, well, that's up there, isn't it? Going up to 400.
So the higher the number,
the more unhealthy it is. Yeah, it's contrary. It's like it's positive and it's, see, look at that. It's over 400 already. That's your soft drinks. And here, you're already going negative.
Negative 114?
Yeah. This needs to be calibrated, but you can see that it is negative. The importance of that, I think you'd be interested to know, is that our healthy cells are minus 20 to minus 25 millivolts. That's what this is. It's a millivolt meter, oxidation reduction potential meter. When our cells hit plus 30, the cancer genes turn on. So, you think we need to be positive or negative?
Negative.
It's not positive thinking. It's
I know.
because we are electrical beings. So we want to be as negatively charged as possible. When the cells can be treated or hit minus 80, the cancer cells will be dead. They will die. Minus 80 millivolts. This machine will make water up to minus 850. But of course, you have to drink it fresh because it's alive. As soon as you take it from the source and go into a bottle of some kind or plastic, the negative charge will go down. So tomorrow will be about half what it is today. In 2 days it'll be neutral. Okay. I need more room here. Okay. Let me show something else. I want to take the time to the other property, though, is microclustering. This is so important because if the cells are not penetrated by the water, then they can't get the nutrients in and the toxins out. So what it means is this. When water leaves the source and it goes and travels for whatever distance, goes through pipes and everything else, it picks up all kinds of stuff and the molecules will cluster together. On the other hand, when you have this technology, it will split the water molecule. And instead of 15 or 20 or 25 molecules clustered together, the result is about 5 or 6. So it's like a chain link fence. You can't throw a baseball through it, but you can throw BBs. So this is a BB maker. And because it's electrically charged, negatively charged, it will go into your body in all directions. It will actually be absorbed before it hits your distal esophagus. Because it's negatively charged, it will go in all directions. It will be in your brain within 30 seconds. That's why people can have such wonderful results. It will go into your joints, wherever it's needed. What I want to do now is to show this property of microclustering. I didn't know she used so many cups. Wow. Need a lot of cups here. Okay. Let's see. Let's use Dasani. What I want to see is if we can make tea just at room temperature without boiling it, right? You say, no, you can't make tea like that. What's the matter with you? Did your mother ever teach you anything about cooking? Where were you? Well, it doesn't seem to be doing much. Let's try the Kangen. Let's see. Look at that. Immediate. You say, oh, it's because it was wet. You can't cheat me. You can't fool me. Well, let's put it back then. Well, maybe it's the tea's all gone. How about that? Is that the problem? Let's see. Nope. That's microclustering. I want to show something else. This machine is a medical device because it does a couple of things. Several things, in fact. Excuse me a sec. Let me get this water. Getting kind of crowded here, aren't I? Let me see if I can do this. Make room in the corner. When it makes a 2.5 water, which this is the only machine in the world that will do that, 2.5 means it will kill any bacteria or virus known to man. It will kill MRSA, AIDS virus, Salmonella, E. coli, and so on. What is the purpose of all that? Well, one of the purposes we use in our home is to soak our meat, fish, vegetables in 2.5 because it will kill Salmonella, E. coli, and so on. What it will also do, when it makes the 2.5 from one hose, it will make 11.5 from the other hose. And that, I'll show you, is what we use for oil-based pesticides. Let's see. This is the 2.5. It smells like chlorine, but it's not chlorine if you want to smell it. See? Have you ever smelled it? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Will kill athletes' feet, things like that. It's wonderful. Like for skin problems, there's a protocol we use where we use the 11.5 because it removes oil-based pesticides. This is what we're going to show right now. Come back here. These are wonderful tomatoes grown in Mexico, I think. Yeah, product of Mexico. So anyway, 11.5, and then we'll let's use Dasani again. Because what do we do with our vegetables when we get home?
Rinse them off.
Yeah, even if they're organic, right? We'll go to the sink, rinse them off. Let's see how much good that does. And I'll use the 11.5. Okay.
Now what is that, 11? Is that chlorine?
No, no. It's 11.5 water. Remember the pH chart? It's the highest that the machine makes.